This video is sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends.
Raid Shadow Legends is a fantasy RPG with a huge number of champions and various rarity, more than 500 units. The game has a wide variety of activities that will need to be completed: Arena, Tower of Doom, Campaign, Dungeons, and Faction Wars. Each mode drops its own resources that are necessary for development. The harder the fight, the better rewards you will get. Raid's feature is multi-platform. If you link a profile to PlayerAim ID, you can play both PC and phone.
Download now and play for free.
Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how I turn sketch and glow most easily in Photoshop, and I'm gonna transform this sketch to this. If you want to see the whole thing, be sure to watch this video, and if you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Let's get started.
That the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but DC where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time out. And quit it, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were wishing I was handling my business. Now I got the ball like Harry Potter playing Quidditch. And my business is humongous, you would think that happens in it. Damn man, I'm all that, yeah I'm all that. Working for that whip, yeah that what you call that. I'ma blow up in the summer, have him yelling fall back. And I've always been ahead like an effing ball cap. Man, I came in the game like whoa. Got a couple chains on me cause I like gold. They told me I'm the best and I told them I know. Cause when I'm in your town, every ticket I sold. Yeah, they saying I'm the man. Facts, bro. Lot of haters, tell me where they at though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap though. Want me on your song, throw a couple stacks, yo. Woo! Everybody wanna do the same thing, yup. That's why we ain't on the same page. No, do my own thing, and I maintain. Woo! Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.